Okay, so this is going to be the first 3D drawing, the Rabbeted Block. This is Autodesk Inventor, and after you open it, you'll see this screen here. You won't see any of these blocks down here, these shapes down here that we've already done. But what you're going to want to select from these four selections here is Part, and give the software a second, and it'll bring you to your graphic user interface, or where we draw, basically. Okay, so here we are, and it has all your options up here. It looks a lot like the regular AutoCAD that you're used to. It has this, which is the history tree that we'll talk about further. And this gray area here is where we're going to do our drawing. You can notice we have the Y and X still using the Cartesian coordinate system here. What we're going to do, use what we know, and we can start a 2D sketch. And you can see the three different dimensions that we can draw in here, represented by these work planes, these different types of planes that we have here. Depending on which direction the shape is facing on your page, that's the direction, or the dimension or work plane that you're going to use. And for the first one, we're going to select this one, because that is going to be the easiest way to create the profile that we need. You can see your options up here have changed to 2D options that we know how to use. So we're going to start with line and start right from 0, 0 there. It's going to react just like regular AutoCAD, give you the degree measurement and how long your line is. Start off by drawing a 3-inch line. We're going to go perfectly up 2 inches. We're going to go to the left 2 inches. Then we're going to go down 1 inch. We're going to go to the left 1 inch. Then down perfectly straight. Go down 1 inch. Right now, the lines will be in like this purplish bluish color. That's good, because in a few minutes you're going to see how things are like color coded. We're done with that profile, so click Finish Sketch. Let's move this over here to the side, and these change back to the 3D options. Here we're going to go to Extrude, and you can see from this dialog box here, it's choosing Profile. Profile is that bluish, purplish line that we talked about. If we had a solid, it would be a pinkish, reddish line. It has different options here for us to choose from. We're down here as well. This little sub menu. But basically, we're going to go above the work plane. You can see it's giving us a preview of what this is going to look like as we grab and move this orange arrow around. So you can do it manually, but it's a lot easier just to type it in. We're going to extrude this thing 5 inches. Escape, and that is how you draw the profile and extrude something